Hi. Hey, if you're one of the lucky people who's down in New Orleans right now at the NAMRIC conference, hope you're having a great time. I'm sure the conference is going really well, and I really hope that everybody gets a chance to get out, see the city, enjoy the food and the entertainment and the people that makes New Orleans so special. If you're looking for great music, I will give this hint. Instead of staying around the Bourbon Street area, the French Quarter, take an extra walk down to what's called Frenchman Street. It's real easy. If you know where Cafe du Monde is, just get on that, go past Cafe du Monde and keep going, keep walking. And you'll run into a really great local live music district. Frenchman Street's got bars and music venues that are just wonderful. You'll hear great music. That's where the locals will go to hear real music in the Southern style. So go check it out. Frenchman Street, great place. Hey, wanted to make sure everyone's paying attention to the calendars. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably Friday, which means that in just a couple days, on Monday, the 29th, voting's going to open up. So this year, we need voters to come out and actually vote. We've got 3 great candidates for the president-elect position. That's kind of rare. So your vote's going to count more than ever. Take this opportunity to choose the path that you want NRA to take and really vote for the candidate that meets the qualifications that you think an NRA president should have. So please just exercise your right to vote for the leader of your organization. Also, this year we don't have an official board member at large running, but we've got some candidates out there that are looking to run for those positions as a write-in. I can speak for Deanna Arbuckle. Deanna is from Ohio. She's a past president of ORA. She's been on the board for a long time, and she is a worker. She's a really great person, somebody who is going to get the job done. She pays attention to details. She rolls up her sleeves, and she takes care of stuff. So please consider Deanna Arbuckle. You won't be disappointed. She really deserves to be in that board mixture because she will impact NRA. So that's what I wanted to say. Go out and check out the Frenchman Street area if you're down in New Orleans, and have a great time and vote on Monday. I'll send you a couple more YouTube videos to show you what I've been doing here in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, and hopefully get you some views of the beautiful scenery that's going on. And I've got a few other things I want to talk to you about. Until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.